Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Gmail account from your Android phone. I'm not showing you how to delete, you are just removing your Gmail account from your Android phone. If you want to do so, first of all, just go to your Gmail and you can check it's my Gmail, and if you click on here logo on this Gmail account, you can see here how many Gmails you have in your phone. Next, I will show you how you can remove it easily. If you want to remove, you cannot find it in your Gmail removal option, so you have to go your phone. So first of all, just go to here on your phone setting. So I'm going to go here on my phone setting. Then if you come here in your phone setting and just scroll down and go to at the bottom of the site. So in every phone you can find here at the bottom of the side Google option. Then you can see here Google, so just click on it. Right now you can see here it's opening. Then you will find here manage your Google account. So if I click on here, but you cannot find your Google or Gmail account for removal. So where I'll go to my phone setting again. So if you cannot find it that way, so go another way, that is search here Google. Okay, then you can find here, so come here in this phase and you can find here Google. Next, you're removing your Google account, then just click on here Google account. You can see here Google account. Right, so at the bottom of the side you can find here manage account on your device. So just click on here. Next, you can find here users and account, then click on again Google. Right now you can find here a number of Gmails that you are using here on your phone. So I'm going to remove first one. Just click on first one. Then you can see here first one is added, or since a number of optional, that is Gmail, Google, everything will be removed. I mean, this account will be removed in your account. Then click on dot line, or at the bottom of the side you can find here, I found on my phone at the top side, you can find it bottom side. Next, click on remove account. Then if you click on here remove account, your account will be removed. So I'm not going to remove it, I just show you how you can remove it. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you feel better, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new